This is the video guide that will help you to remove the ransomware that is called Loov, L-O-O-V. The ransomware belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. It encrypts the files, and then after the encryption is successful, the ransomware adds a special extension to the files, and the extension is called Loov. So, before the ransomware actually affects the files, people don't experience any problems opening the files. However, it might happen that because of certain available vulnerabilities in the security system of the specific computer, the ransomware may some way or another be somehow injected into the system. And then people realize that something bad has happened with their data and that they cannot use their files anymore. Typically, this happens after people restart their computers. They soon realize that the files are no longer available. People cannot use their data anymore. So whenever they attempt to open any specific file, they simply cannot do that. This is what happens after the Loov ransomware affects the files. You can see that the special Loov extension has been added to the data. If you have discovered some of your files to be already encrypted and some not, it's a good idea that you go to the task manager and consider terminating the suspicious processes. Typically, this is the process with the longer random name that doesn't make any sense. So, if you terminate this process and end its task, there is a chance that you can at least save some of the files. To remove this Loov ransomware, you are strongly advised to scan your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Of course, you should not pay the ransom as the ransomware suggests, because paying the ransom may simply be the waste of your money for nothing. Combo Cleaner will help you very well to detect this Loov ransomware and remove it effectively. You may get it on this website, combocleaner.com. Download it using this green Download Combo Cleaner button. Install the program, and then after the program is successfully installed, start investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware and anti-malware, you need to select the preferred scan type. But the program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. So click on Start Scan button. First of all, the program will update its antivirus database, and after that process is successfully completed, the program will begin scanning your system. The scanning may take several minutes depending on how infected your computer is. Then the program will give you the detailed and complete summary of threats that were found during the scan. Then you will be able to find out the exact location of all these threats at the end of scan in the complete summary of infections that were revealed during the scan. You may go to Settings of Combo Cleaner and reveal the excellent feature called Anti-Ransomware. This specific feature, of course, is a part of the premium license, and it gives you the opportunity to add several folders that will be properly protected by Combo Cleaner premium version against all sorts of ransomware attacks. So if you add some of the folders on your computer to the Combo Cleaner shield, these folders and the data that they contain will be protected against encryption by all sorts of ransomware. So, as you see, this is the summary of threats found during the scan. You may remove them manually, one threat at a time, or consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to remove these threats automatically.